There's a bell that rings when the sun goes down. We picked out flowers in early June, white lace curtains and a harvest moon. You held my hand like you never let go, but forever can falter when the truth moves slow. We wrote our names in the back pew wood, said God is witness, like young lovers would. I wore your promise like a Sunday crown, but crowns get heavy when the cracks show loud. Every prayer we whispered echoed off stained glass, but love can be holy and still not last. Church bells at midnight ringing for a vow that never made it to the here and now. White dress hanging in the closet dark, like a ghost of a future we couldn't start. We had heaven in our sight, but the timing wasn't right. Just church bells at midnight. I still drive by that gravel road where we first kissed in your daddy's old Ford. Sometimes I swear I can hear the sound of a preacher's voice when no one's around. Love ain't always leaving, sometimes it just fades like candlelight flickering in a house we made. Church bells at midnight echo through my chest, ringing for maybe that we laid to rest. Your name still lingers on my left-hand side, but I let it go with my veil and my pride. We had forever in our sight, but forever changed its mind. Just church bells at midnight. Love was the altar, we knelt there in truth, but sometimes amen is letting go of you. Church bells at midnight still ringing somewhere for the girl in white and the boy who cared. I'll keep the blessing but lose the fight. I'll carry the memory into another life. We had heaven in our sight, and I still pray you're alright when church bells ring at midnight. There's a bell that rings when the heart lets go. Amen. Amen.